Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart your Volvo XC60 safely. First, always prioritize safety by wearing gloves and eye protection. Make sure both vehicles are completely off and not touching. Then, identify the positive and negative terminals on both the good battery and your Volvo's battery. This preparation is crucial for a smooth and safe jumpstart process. Now, let's connect the positive cables. Take one red clamp and attach it firmly to the positive terminal of your Volvo's dead battery. Next, connect the other end of the red cable, the second red clamp, to the positive terminal of the good battery. Ensure these connections are tight and secure to avoid any accidental disconnections or sparking during the process. Moving on to the negative cables, attach one black clamp to the negative terminal of the good battery. For the other end, connect the second black clamp to a clean, unpainted metal surface on your Volvo XC60 engine block or chassis. This provides a good ground connection. Remember, avoid connecting this final black clamp directly to the dead battery's negative terminal. With all cables connected, start the good vehicle and let it run for about 5 minutes. This allows the good battery to transfer some charge. After 5 minutes, try starting your Volvo XC60. Once it starts, disconnect the cables carefully, removing the negative clamps first, then the positive clamps. Drive your Volvo for at least 20 minutes to fully recharge the battery.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.